is a Sharp RP-117 turntable repair video. And, this one will be focusing on the replacement of the turntable platter belt. To do that, you don't need to take it down this far. All you have to do is eject the tray, and then you're going to need to remove these two metal bits. How to do that, you just need a Phillips screwdriver and some luck to get these little plastic rivets out. To remove plastic rivet, there will be these little things left behind. There's little holes that the rivets go into. You can either try to get those out or just pry down on the metal. And once you do that, you will have access under here. And as you can see, that is the motor and that is the platter. And you'll need to clean everything off of there. And take a look there, and you can see that it's going to have to go around this platter. Somehow, all this shit just ended up on here. I would just take it and ugh, it's nasty. You have to use some alcohol on that.